Stumbled across an AGT file from the classic Microsoft Agent technology? These are character files for the discontinued animated assistant system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain these Microsoft Agent character files. Consider this the ace up my sleeve, a specialized program that utilizes magic techniques to properly identify and open the AGT file. I'll reveal it at the end. An AGT file contains data for an animated character used by Microsoft Agent, a deprecated technology for creating interactive animated assistants in Windows. Users typically encounter these files when using legacy software or exploring old Windows features, seeking to view or interact with the animated character. The AGT format is a proprietary binary container that packages animations, voice data, and behavioral scripts for a specific character. This self-contained design allowed developers to easily distribute and integrate animated assistants into their applications without managing separate asset files, simplifying deployment of interactive user interfaces. The developer of Microsoft Agent, Microsoft, created the original specifications for AGT. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the AGT file and choose Open With. If Microsoft Agent is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. The AGT file is more stubborn than we thought. We're moving into the next phase with the 3 essential steps to unlock it. First, installing on Windows XP. Microsoft Agent runs natively on Windows XP and earlier. Place AGT files in the Microsoft Agent characters folder, typically C+, Windows, SALMS Agent + chars. Applications using Microsoft Agent then access characters from this central location. Modern Windows versions don't include the Microsoft Agent runtime, requiring legacy systems for original use. Next, using Double Agent. Install Double Agent from doubleagent.net, which provides Microsoft Agent compatibility on modern Windows versions. The tool bridges legacy Microsoft Agent character files with current Windows, enabling continued use of classic AGT characters in modified workflows. This solution enables nostalgia-driven projects and legacy application compatibility. Finally, examining with MASH. Use MASH, Microsoft Agent Scripting Helper, or similar Microsoft Agent development tools to examine AGT character files. These applications display character animations, animation lists, and metadata providing insight into how characters were constructed. They are valuable for nostalgia-driven exploration and educational purposes regarding classic Windows technologies. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.